Oke, standby, kamera ready, sound ready, 3, 2, 1, action!
Hello everyone, my name is Wahyu Dimasya. I'm 19 years old and I was born in my hometown, North Sumatra, the island born of diversity. I'm a student majoring at technology at one of the university in Medan. My current hobby is playing games, whatever genre it is. But for now, I focus one of games, which is Mobile Legends. I love this game. I have the ambition to create a business at a young age so that I can create jobs that can be beneficial for everyone because I know I was born without privilege and also want to understand what the meaning of my dream all this time. Thank you. Itu aja.
Nice.
Nice, thank you.